Hello everyone, welcome here. In this lecture you are going to learn like a ternary operator. Ternary operator is nothing but also using for decision making system, and also it will be called as shorthand if-else statements. In a single line statement you may compare and write the statements to making a simple decision how you want to make it. So see, if else statements we have implemented if, else and else if, these things we have implemented here. If I, for example, if I supposed to say that yes, this statement, this many lines we have implemented, no, either good morning or good day, you want to make it if block and else block. This statement using ternary operator, it's a question mark. Ternary operator is nothing but like a question mark. So this is ternary operator. How we are applying of this ternary operator and how we are writing, we will see by making like this is as a comment I am applying here. Forward slashes also it will be comment, no, yes. Now we will take like a int time as a variable and equal to 20. Now you may keenly observe the same result set we will get using the ternary operator, whereas we will get like what we can say, we will get in a single line statement, result equal to, we have to compare the condition here. Time is less than something like 18. What I have to do, put a question mark based on the condition. If it is true it will give a message, else it will give a message, two messages like question mark and put something like good day and colon, good day and colon good morning or good evening. It's like what the message you want you can put it. What is the difference, like what message you want, you put like a terminator at the end. Okay, good day or good evening, based on the condition is true it will throw a message. Now see out this particular result will be stored in here. So see out less than result, yes, this one. Save and run it. This is a yes, good evening, it's a message is coming. So what is the condition we have given? Good evening, like time less than 20 means 18 it is given, means it's the false, means it's going to be printing this else statement. If here we are given like a 21 or 22 means if the condition is true it will throw a message of true part of first one. So how simply, this is the ternary operator question mark decision based on the true false statement, it will give us a result set. Especially this we treated as like a single characters also, male female decision, what the matter we want to present in the output. Like here we can write good like male and here we can write female, and passing with the comparing of the number, what is the number here it is, and if m is attached it will be like male, if a female it is there it will be prints like a true false. We can justify it is in a true false. If it is equal to m it will print male, else it will give the female. Such a statements if we require we can do the like a writing of a single line statements. I hope it is very simple and easy, rather than it's a convenient you to implement your coding and logical levels based on your requirements. This is a ternary operator program. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.